You are moving and you want your security deposit returned. There are certain procedures to follow to have your security deposit returned at the end of your lease. Remember, the security deposit is not returnable until after you have moved out of the rental property. First, it's a good idea to ask the landlord for a written notice of the move-out inspection date because you have the right to be present. The best time to join the landlord for the walkthrough inspection of the premises is after you moved your belongings, but before you return your key to the landlord. Here's a tip. Use the completed walkthrough checklist that was used when you moved into the rental property to compare the conditions of the premises and determine if there are any damages. Here's another tip. Keep a copy of the checklist signed by the landlord and take pictures or videos of the premises for your records in case a dispute arises later. After you move out and return possession of the home, you should submit a written request for the return of your security deposit. Here's a big tip. Make sure you provide your landlord with a return address. Your landlord must return the security deposit within 14 business days of your request, or provide a written list of the deductions along with payment for the remaining balance. What deductions are allowable? Deductions may include damages outside of normal wear and tear, unpaid rent, repairs needed for damages to the premises caused by you, or other deductions allowed by law. Beware! You must dispute the charges, preferably in writing, within 60 days after the list is mailed. Otherwise, the charges are considered final. Here's another tip. Don't be caught off guard. Check your lease for any administrative fees or non-refundable deposits that will not be returned. Here's a tip. If the landlord does not respond or you disagree with any deductions, you may file a lawsuit for the return of your deposit. However, you will need to prove in court that the landlord owes you this amount. Go to azledge.gov and review A.R.S. Section 33-1321D for more detailed information on obtaining a refund of your security deposit from your landlord.